Welcome to a video by Abron. This is Meldies apparatus. This has a coil and one metal steel wire is attached to this, and two adjustable these parts are there where you can adjust these by moving these two. We have provided here the DC, it is written as AC 3-volt power supply, and we have this battery eliminator which is on the 6 or 3 volt. This is polarity is this is on DC and AC. This is AC, so red and black has no meaning. Now you see this is vibrating. See this vibrating is, and you can put any of these. You can see this falls immediately just to see this is falling. I am trying to put this paper, it falls immediately. It tells you that this is actually falling, vibrating. You can see vibration also. If you see with the finger, you can see this is, if you hold it, touch it, no vibration. But this vibration is by the this pulley is also provided, which is to be placed on the table, and one weights are there. Here I have put the two weights of 20 grams each. So there are different weights we provide here, the set of weights, so that you can put the different weights and the vibration will change. The thread is also provided. You can change a new thread. This is only for small experiment I am showing you here. If you can change it, this, you see this vibration is changing. You can hear vibration will change due to the weight and the distance. The frequency will change due to the weight and the length of this section. This length is to be measured and how much weight is there. You can see, I can change, see this. Now it has started again vibrating. You can put this again, see this. It is only for checking. Paper, you can use any paper just to understand this is vibrating. You see this is vibrating. Falls immediately. Measurement is by this length. You can use a longer length. It can be one wave. Now it is one wave. It can be sine wave like this, two waves, due to the frequency of the 50 cycles of the AC current. So my email is appron01@gmail.com. Another is abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 941602001, and one more is 999222220. This experiment is very easy. System is very, it tells you the frequency of how much is the frequency of AC. You can check up here. We can check up. You can how much vibration. This you can adjust the distance between these two. Can be adjusted by the. There is a coil here. You can change the voltage, and then this will give you the desired vibrations. You can see this vibration sound is coming. This vibration is, you can see vibration here. The vibration is generated by the coil. I can change it. I am adjusting this. See, the sound is coming. So please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.